Okay, my name is Ederson Ramalho. I'm from Brazil, and I'm so glad for this opportunity for speaking here. And my presentation is a custom project template based on the QMH CLA sample exam. And I brought our giant star female like other level conferences, and I would like to introduce Nina Silva. She's a Brazilian woman with a solid career on technology, especially on ERT systems. And I'd like to emphasize her social role, and because research shows that bank credits are denied 3 times more for black than white people, and we know that racism is a problem as a problem as serious as misogyny. So she founded the movement called Black Money to help black people to getting bank credit, especially for starting its business. So her social contribution is an inspiration for me. Well, in this small presentation, I would like to present this this template, and I think that 95% of the sample exam is here, and I'm seeing about the ATM automatic teller machine sample exam that uses the QMH principles in this sample exam. And what I would like to say is that uh, this architecture we can use in as a starting point for any kind of application we are working. So different of CLG exam where we have user interface ready to work, and the CLA exam we start from a blank VI, and but you know that on real project that we are working, we don't start from zero. We can use a lot of templates that exists. Some of them native from LabVIEW, like QMH, like Actor Framework, and other by other companies like JKI State Machine, like GQMH. So, what would you create an architecture if you have many options for your work, for your job? Why would you create this? And so, I've read at Fabula's book, Fabula and Richard Jennings' book. They have a section with a list of reasons for not creating a framework, and I agree with that. But I think that if your focus is to learn more about architectures, about this, you can have some benefits of working with architectures. So I, for example, I list some of them. If you are prepared for CLA exam, it's a good way for accelerating your preparation. And if you want to learn how to use VI scripting for automate some process, it's a good reason. And if you want to put your own programming style in your job, in your framework, in architecture, it's a good way to to a good reason for you to working with architectures. And this custom QMH template that I did, I put it in my on my create project starting menu, and when we create it, it has its disappearance, and when we open it, we have the models separated in folders, in libraries, and when we run the application, we start it from the launcher VI. The launcher VI has a case structure that runs all models. All models runs in parallel, separate, independently one of others. And we also have these abort VIs, these abort user event VIs to stop the application correctly, sending an event for all models here. And as I said, the models that I said are libraries. In this library, I have some folders that separates the APIs, the controls, and we also have the main VI that is launched in the in the launcher VI. And this main VI is a QMH message handler, a traditional QMH message handler with the event handling loop and message handling loop. And this models has at least these three cases: init, error, and close. It's common for all models. And to include messages in the message handling loop, we use APIs. These APIs are public to be used for other models if you want to put a message from a model to other. And we have all other VIs that are private, so it only can be used inside its one model. And as I said, we have common characteristics of between the models. So to create a new model, we have an automation that I did. So we have the model, the template model, that it's a starting point for any model. So I have a VI to create a new model. So when I run this VI, I create a new model. I click this button, and it opens to me a dialog box where I can write the new module name, its initials that we put on the icon, and the color for the upper side of the icon. And it creates to me the library, and it puts in the project, and inserts the main VI in the launcher VI. Another automation we have here is for creating new cases into the models. So I run this VI, and I select the library, and after that I choose the name for the new case. When I create new case, it creates to me the API VI, and it starts the new case at the case structure of the main VI of the model. So thinking about future work for this project, we want to insert this automation in the Project Explorer environment using a level project provider. Integrates the project with source code control like it, and create some constant tests for the models. That is it. I think I passed 2 minutes of my time, and I thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you a lot. It was a very nice and interesting presentation. So especially that it may help for people to prepare to get their certifications. That was definitely a great job. Thank you very much for your presentation.
Okay, thank you.
At the same time, I would like to welcome Petro on the stage.